Why do we learn from patterns?
Great question. First, imagine your brain is a quiet prediction machine that notices what happens and saves the pattern for later. Second, today we will explore why your brain loves simple rules like, if this happens, then do that, and how those rules guide behavior. Third, stay with us because a memory trick at the end will help you remember this idea in a fun and simple way.
That makes me wonder, how does this actually help someone learning science?
Great question. That curiosity is exactly how real scientists think. 1. Understanding if-then learning helps you see how habits form and why behaviors become automatic. 2. It makes psychology easier because memory, conditioning, and decision-making all depend on simple patterns. 3. Knowing this prepares you for MCAT ideas like associative learning, reinforcement, and behavior change.
Okay, wait. If I could only remember one thing, what's the main idea I should remember?
That is an important question. Big outcomes always start with small causes. Step 1. Picture your brain as a tiny notebook that writes a rule every time it sees one event followed by another. Step 2. The core truth is that the brain strengthens rules that help you stay safe, get rewards, or avoid mistakes. Step 3. Whenever you hear learning, imagine your brain updating its little book of if-then rules.
Alright, this part always helps me. Can you show me how this works step by step?
I love this part too. Let me walk you through it slowly, one clear step at a time so your brain can lock it in. Number 1. Your brain notices a cue in the world like a sound, a face, or a feeling. Number 2. It watches what happens next and connects the cue with the outcome inside memory networks. Number 3. The next time the cue appears, your brain predicts what will happen and prepares the same response.
Oh, now my brain is picturing it in real world. Where do I actually see this in real life or medicine?
Yes, now you are thinking like a doctor. We see this in real life all the time, in school, at home, and even in hospitals. First, you use if-then learning when you touch something hot once and quickly learn not to touch it again. Second, doctors see it when patients develop fears, cravings, safe behaviors, or habits from repeated experiences. Third, understanding these patterns helps you spot triggers and build healthier responses.
Okay, last thing. What's the quick trick to help me remember this forever?
Here is one simple trick that will help you remember this forever. Step 1. Imagine your brain holding a tiny notebook labeled if-then rules. Step 2. Picture a new rule being written each time your brain sees the same pattern happen twice. Step 3. Remember this wisdom: small rules learned today become the strong habits that shape tomorrow. If this sparked curiosity, share a thought and join the Growth Lab journey. Learning grows stronger together. Brains remember better when tested. Watch the full episode and the quiz episode to lock it in.
See you in the next episode.